Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, let me go back, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages at the top and tap on system languages. So here we've got the list of all applied languages. So now let me show you how to add the language. Simply tap on this option, add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I will choose maybe Greek, just tap on it and choose the region. So as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English is still a main language. So now all we have to do is to tap on the language and hold it and then drag it to the very first position. Then let's tap on change, and as you can see, from now on we've got the system language changed for the one which is at the top, in my case Greek. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on change, and we've got English. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it and tap on remove. Now let's mark those languages which we'd like to get rid of, and then tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.